I was spending an entire week editing one video for YouTube. That left me zero time to actually code the thing that I was trying to build. This is absolutely insane. So, I built an AI-powered video editor called YumCut that cut that time from 1 week to 1 day. Today I'll show you how I'm not just building a tool, I'm rewriting rules of long-form content. If you are a creator struggling with the same editing nightmare, this video is going to blow your mind. So here is a problem that almost every long-form creator faces. You record your talking head video and then you are stuck with this boring static footage. Just you talking to a camera for an hour. And if you want to make it engaging, you need to add slides, graphics, animations, b-rolls. The whole process is absolutely overwhelming. I discovered this creator called Dea who has this incredible style. She combines talking head with these dynamic slide overlays that appear perfectly timed with her narration. It looks amazing, but reproducing it is a nightmare. Every single talking point requires a separate slide. You have to design each one, export it to PNG, import to your editor and time it perfectly. If you mess up one slide, you have to regenerate everything and retime the whole sequence. This is a kind of repetitive, time-consuming task that AI should be handling. So I spent about a month building a prototype that does exactly that. Here's what YumCut actually does, and this is where it gets really interesting. You record your talking head or just an audio track. You upload it to YumCut. The AI analyzes your narration, identifies key talking points, and generates diverse slides. Then it spits out to a ready-to-publish video. No more days spent on editing, it's just like a magic. The core AI that generates slides took me about a week to build. It already works from the command line, exporting visuals and letting me to control timing per slide. But the real magic is in the component system. Instead of rendering fixed image templates, AI built them from JSON. Fast, flexible and scalable. It adds any components, resize them, move them and even more. It adapts to context, generates fresh layouts on demand and never runs out of ideas. And even if the component library hits a limit, it can generate new components from scratch whenever needed. Let me tell you why this market is so underserved. To find a real solution, I ran ChatGPT in research mode. Digging through 100 tools it suggested. None of them solve the problem. And it's not made-up issue. People are actively discussing it on Reddit. About 99% of all AI video tools are focused on vertical formats and shorts. Automatic captions, silence cutting, fast edits, that space is completely saturated. But long-form creators have almost nothing. Sure, some tools promise magical automatic b-rolls, but here is the catch. Most of the clips come from the same free stock libraries, so you end up seeing the same actors across different channels, which is incredibly distracting. So the goal is simple: make long-form videos more addictive and engaging. YouTube is a focus because that's where people actually are. Here is what the future looks like with YumCut. You sit down, record a talking head video or just an audio on your phone and upload it to YumCut. The AI analyzes everything and generates slides that perfectly match your narration timing. And boom, you have a professional-looking video ready to publish. This will definitely set you apart from 90% of the content out there. No more spending days on basic graphics, no more hunting on stock footage, no more manually timing graphics to your voice. The entire creative process compressed from days to minutes. This isn't just about saving time, it's about unlocking creativity. If editing takes a week, every video feels like a gamble. It kills momentum. If it takes a day, you can test more, publish more, and watch your channel grow 10x faster. That's the difference between surviving and thriving as a creator. That's where the real bottleneck begins. Under the hood. The real challenge is generating slides too much of meaning of what's being said, because AI is only 90% correct right now. You need a video editor with AI at its core, not just bolted like to traditional editor. The real bottleneck is AI figuring out what you mean and picking correct visuals too much. It builds slides from JSON components on the fly. The system can retry, recombine and adapt in seconds. No need to re-render templates every time. Each tweak you make teaches AI to do better next time. Here is how I'm thinking about pricing and growth. I'm starting as myself as a first user. Every time I make video with YumCut carries a watermark with the brand. This creates a self-reinforcing loop. Good content markets the tool automatically. If you're watching this video right now, it means my idea worked. For the business model, I'm leaning toward weekly subscription trials. Get access just for $1 in your first week. This lowers the barrier while still capturing a payment method. This is much better than forcing people to commit to monthly subscription before they've even tested the tool. I'm planning to produce at least 100 YumCut generated videos and gather viewer feedback. If those videos prove engaging, the data will speak for itself. Right now the system is still in alpha and evolving, but I can already see the potential. So the landing page is live at YumCut.com. It's a simple Next.js page that collects email addresses. Sign-ups get forwarded to a Telegram bot that I monitor manually. Low volume means I can respond personally while the product is pre-launch. Unlike traditional SEO tactics, this is an organic growth through actual value creation. The competitive landscape is interesting. Vertical video tools are crowded, but horizontal long-form are wide open. Players like HeyGen and CapCut are expanding into AI editing. YumCut will compete there, but with a laser focus on long-form creators. I'm not trying to match CapCut feature to feature. I want to capture a slice of their audience with something that they don't have. In 5 years, what does it look like? Hard to predict exactly, but the direction is clear. First, YumCut needs to help me personally and become profitable. If it can solve my own editing nightmare, it won't help anyone else's. But if it works, we are looking at the fundamental shifts how content gets created. Imagine a world where creating a video feels like talking to a real person. You just speak your ideas naturally, like in a conversation. And when the dialogue ends, you get a finished video ready to publish. It completely changes how people create content. And the future of content creation is here. Almost every frame you are watching was generated by AI we just talked about. Welcome to the future! If you want early access, head to YumCut and join the waitlist. Watch as I build this product from nothing to something real. See you in the next video. Bye!